I welcome you all, my dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.5 where we need to find out the SCF. SCF means highest common factor by prime factorization method. So question number 1 is 92 and 84. First we will take out the prime factorization of both of them. That is 2 4s are 8, carry forward 1, 2 6 are 12. Then we are having 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now we will go ahead with 84. That is 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. Then we are having 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Then we are having 3 7s are 21. Now we will write down their common factors. That is the prime factorization of 92 is 2 into 2 into 23, and the prime factorization of 84 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So now we need to find out the common factor in both of them. That is, this 2 is common for both of them. So we'll write down 2 into, again one more 2 is common for both of them. This also will write down. So the SCF will be 2 2s are 4. Now moving down to question number 2, that we are having 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now the same we will go ahead with 34, that is 2 1s are 2, plus 1 carry forward 1, 2 7s are 14. So the prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3, and the prime factorization of 34 is 2 into 17. The only common factor in both of them is 2. So the SCF of this question will be 2. Now moving down to the next question, 21, we know that 3 7s are 21. So next we'll go ahead with 106, that is 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. So the prime factorization of 21 is 3 into 7, and the prime factorization of 106 is 2 into 53. I can see nothing is common in them. There is no factor which is common. तो जिसके में कोई भी common factor नहीं होता है तो कम से कम वो दोनों 1 के टेबल में तो आते हैं. So that means जिसका कोई भी common factor नहीं हो रहा है उसमें हम लिखते हैं SCF as 1. So now 12, here you can see that 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Similarly we'll go ahead with 39, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. That means the prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3, and that for 39 is 3 into 13. The only common prime factor in both of them is 3. So the SCF for this question is 3. Now question number 5 is 58 and 70. Again we'll take out the prime factorization of 58. That is 2 2s are 4, carry forward 1, 2 9s are 18. Now we'll similarly go ahead with 70. 2 3s are 6, carry forward 1, 2 5s are 10, and 5 7s are 35. So the prime factorization of 58 is 2 into 29, and the prime factorization of 70 is 2 into 5 into 7. The only prime factor common in both of them is 2. So we will write down the SCF as 2. Now coming down to the next 132, that is 2 6 are 12, carry forward 1, again 2 6 are 12. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, again 3 11s are 33. Now similarly the same we will go ahead with 680, that is 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 zeros are 0, then 2 1s are 2, carry forward 1, 2 7s are 14, 2 zeros are 0, 2 8s are 16, carry forward 1, 2 5s are 10. Now I will go ahead with 5, 5 1s are 5, carry forward 3, 5 7s are 35. So we write down the prime factorization of 132 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 11, and the prime factorization of 680 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 17. So now we will find out the common factor in both of them. That is, this 1 2 is common in both of them, and another 2 is also common in both of them. So the common factors are 2 into 2, and 2 2s are 4. So that means the SCF is 4. Now moving down to the next question, 18, 36 and 27. Now we are having 3 numbers. In 3 numbers, the common factor we will look in all 3. It is not like that we will see in 2. The common factor should be in all 3 terms. That is 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, it will be 2 1s are 2, carry forward 1, 2 8 are 16, then 2 9s are 18, then 3 3s are 9, here it is 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9. So we will write down all the prime factorization. 18 has prime factor 2 into 3 into 3, 36 has the prime factor of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Similarly 27 has the prime factor 3 into 3 into 3. So here you can see that this 3 is common in all 3. So we write down SCF, we are getting 1 3 common, and another 3 3 3. So one more 3 is common in both of them, and apart from them no other numbers are common in all 3. So 3 3s are 9 is the SCF for this question. Now we need to find out the prime factorization of 7007 and 2145. 7007 is divisible by 7 1s are 7, 7 zeros are 7 zeros are 7 1s are. Again it is divisible by 7. 7 1 is 7, carry forward 3, 7 4 is 28, and then 7 3 is 21. Now 143 is divisible by 11. 11 1 is 11, carry forward 3, 11 3 is 33. Now we will go ahead with 2145. It is divisible by 3. 3 7 is 21, 3 1 is 3, carry forward 1, 3 5 is 15. Then it is divisible by 5. 5 1 is 5, carry forward 2, then 5 4 is 20, 5 3 is 15. Now again 143 is divisible by 11. 11 1 is 11, carry forward 3, 11 3 is 33. So what all factors we are having? We are having the prime factorization 7001 as 7 into 7 into 11 into 30, and the prime factorization for 2145 is 3 into 5 into 11 into 13. So we are having two factors common in both of them, that is 11 is also common and 13 is also common. So we will write down 11 into 13 is 143. So the SCF is 143. Next is 104. Three numbers we are having. 104 first we will take out. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Then we are having 2 2s are 4, carry forward 1, 2 6 are 12. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now we will go ahead with 78. That is 2 3s are 6, carry forward 1, 2 9s are 18. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now going ahead with 65, we are having 5 1s are 5, carry forward 1, 5 3s are 15. So what all factors for 104 we are having? 2 into 2 into 2 into 13, and similarly for 78 we are having the factor 2 into 3 into 13, and last 65 we are having 5 into 13. So in all one thing is common, that is 13. So prime factorization 13 we are having the common factors in all three. So the SCF for this question is 13. Now moving on to the next section for 280, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 0s are 0. Next 2 7s are 14, 2 0s are 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 5 7s are 35. Now we'll go ahead with 329. So that is 329 will come in the table of 7. 7 4s are 28, carry forward 4, 7 7s are 49. Now coming go ahead with 378. Now going ahead with 378, that is 2 1s are 2, carry forward 1, 2 8 is 16, 2 9s are 18. Then we are having 3 6 are 18 and 3 3s are 9. Then we are having 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Then we are having 3 7s are 21. So what all are the prime factors for 280 we are having? That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. And what about rest? We are having 329 prime factorization as 7 into 47. Similarly for 378 we are having 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. You can see in all three 7 is the common factor for them. So the SCF for this question is 7. Next is 520, 550 and 728. So again we will go ahead with the prime factorization. First is of 520, that is in the table of 2. 2 2s are 4, carry forward 1, 2 6 are 12, 2 0s are 0. Then again 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are 0. Then again 2 6 are 12, carry forward 1, 2 5s are 10. Then we are having 5 1s are 5, carry forward 1, 5 3s are 15. Now we will go ahead with 550. In the table of 550 again 2 2s are 4, carry forward 1, 2 7s are 14, carry forward 1, 2 5s are 10. Then 5 5s are 25, carry forward 2, 5 5s are 25. Then we are having 5 11s are 55. Now for 728 again we are having 2 3s are 6, carry forward 1, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again we are having 2 1s are 2, carry forward 1, 2 8 are 16, 2 2s are 4. Again we are having 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2. Then again 7, it is divisible by 7, 7 1s are 7, carry forward 2, 7 3s are 21. So we'll write down all the prime factorization. First of 520, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 13. The prime factorization of 550 is 2 into 5 into 5 into 11. And the prime factorization of 728 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 13. So now we will search out the common factor in all three. We can see that only this 2 is common in all three. So that's why the SCF is 2 for this question. Now here in question number 12 you can see that it is written, a man wishes to lay square tiles on the floor of a room 12 meter by 18 meters. What is the largest side? कभी भी कोई largest चीज पूछता है, it means we need to find out the SCF. So the statement will write down side of square tile we will be getting when we will be taking the SCF of the given 12 meter and 18 meter. So we are going to find out it SCF, that is equals to 12 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. Similarly, the SCF for 18 is 2 9s are 18 and 3 3s are 9. So the factors of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3, and the factors of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. So what are the common factors in both of them? We will see. This 2 is common in both of them, so that will be the SCF. This 3 is also common in both of them, so that will also be taken as a part of SCF. 2 3 is 6. That means 6 meter square should be the side of the square track. Now question 13 is, a boy wishes to cut as many pieces of ropes of equal length as he can from pieces that are 35 meter, 49 meter and 56 meter long. If he wants the pieces to be as long as possible and does not want to waste any rope, how long should each piece be? Each piece जो होगा वो maximum में SCF ही हमें निकालना पड़ेगा. So for this question also we will write down length of each piece will be the SCF of the given three numbers, that is SCF of 35, 49 and 56. Now let us take out the prime factorization of all three numbers, that is 35, 5 7s are 35 it is, for 49 it is 7 7s are 49, for 56 it is 2 2s are 4, 2 8 is 16, then 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, then 2 7s are 14. So the prime factorization of 35 is 5 into 7, the prime factorization of 49 is 7 into 7, and the prime factorization of 56 is 2 into 2 into 7. So here we can see that this 7 is common factor in all three. So the SCF of all these three numbers is 7. So what is the length of each piece? The length of each piece should be 7 meters.